y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're unboxing another trunk club. So I did trunk club a while back, liked it. It was a little bit too expensive for me, forgot to cancel it, so I got another box. So maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago, I was just browsing, a trunk club ad popped up somewhere, I don't remember where, and I thought, you know what, let me try it again, because my husband always says to me, I have a hard time spending a lot of money on one piece. Y'all know I buy a lot of stuff, but I bargain shop for sure. But he always says to me, hey, spend a little bit more money on a good item and it'll last you longer. So I thought, you know what? Let's give it a go again. So that's what we're doing in this video. I have a lot of stuff. I think there's 12 things in this month's box. It's huge. It actually comes in a trunk, which is really cute. So Trunk Club is $25 a month. And then I believe you get your styling fee credited back as you do on like Stitch Fix and D&Co or that fashion box that I've been trying. Yes, $25 styling fee credited towards your purchase. So my stylist this month is Alexa. I've already chatted with her a little bit on the app. All right, so let's get into the things that I can't physically try on. Which sounds weird, but it's a bag. This first one is the Gemini Link Coated Canvas Tote Tory Burch in the color Ivory. It's $198. Here we go. It's not really my favorite pattern. I don't know. I don't really care for the chain link pattern on this. I like the color, like the navy and the tan and stuff. I love that it has this cute little emblem, that gold emblem right there. There we go. It's huge on the inside. It's got a lot of space. This would be a good, like, girls' weekend bag, like, overnight type bag. It's cute. I love the size. It's just not my style, but I get it. Moving on to the next thing. I really liked these, and then I tried them on for Abby, and she kind of giggled at me. So this is a pair of Desi Perkins High Key Mini 57mm aviator glasses from the brand Key Australia, Q-U-A-Y, Quay, I don't know. I love that they're matte black. It's kind of hard to tell in this light. So here we go. I mean, come on. Look how cute they are. And then they come with this like clear, like sunglass case. How cute, with like a little, what do you call this? Everyone at home is screaming it at me right now. A little cloth, a cloth to clean them. But I love this. It's like heavy duty. I don't know. I just thought the whole idea was so cute. However, I have a lot of sunglasses and I don't need them for $65. I like them. Don't get me wrong. Also, this is polarized on there. Something else about these are sturdy. These aren't flimsy at all. They're very like heavy duty. Like I feel like I could throw them in my purse without being in this case and they would be just fine. I wouldn't do that if I spent $65 on them, but you know what I'm saying, like they're heavy duty. And I made that comment to, I think to Brian the other night when I tried them on, asking him what he thought about them, and he was like, I mean, they're cute, but I don't need another pair. Okay, I don't need another pair. I don't need it. I don't. Okay, so let's start with this dress. It's beautiful. It's this like navy color. It's got like chiffon bell sleeves. It's got a cinched in waist. It's longer, longer like to the knee length longer. It's got this super cute tie on the chest. Zips up in the back. However, I didn't even have to unzip it to put it on. This is the brand Lost Ink. It's in a size 3X. This one is $74. It's really cute. Really, really cute. I don't really have anywhere to wear it, and I don't need to just crowd my closet. Plus, like, someone told me it looked a little matronly, like a little older for me. I don't know. I liked it. But that, like, when someone tells you that something looks old on you, that's like an immediate red flag, and you're like, I'm not trying to look older. I'm trying to look younger. So this dress is pretty, but it's going back. Okay, now let's get into tops. This first one is this like lilac, heather, purple color from the brand Caslon. It's in a size 2X. This is so soft. It's a very good like transition piece into fall. It's got this little like double layer doohickey stuff on the bottom. This is called the scoop neck top in purple. It's $49. I don't know. I loved the fit and the feel, and it's like kind of lightweight, but it's got that little bit of a thicker texture, thicker-ish texture to it, so you could wear it when it gets a little cooler outside. I just think this is such a great, just like basic, solid, throw it on with jeans. You could throw it on with a pair of like dress pants. You could throw it on with, I don't know, you know, like I'm just looking for these kind of pieces. So I think Alexa did a great job on this one. Next one, this one is so pretty, y'all. This is the brand Vince Camuto. Camuto? So this size 2X. Look at that color. I don't even know if my camera's going to do it justice. This is the like bubble sleeve. Let me find it. Hang on. Yeah, so this is the bubble sleeve blouse in the color Lake Breeze. It's in a size 2X and it's $89. But this is such a nice like chiffon. It's got a little bit of a stretch to it, but not much. It's just so pretty. Like, it's so lightweight. It's so flowy. It's just so, I don't know. I loved everything about it. I love the V-neck. I love the color. I love the fit. And I don't know. I have nothing bad to say about it. This is beautiful. Next top, because we have a lot to go. This is a floral type top from the brand Daniel Rain. It's in a size 2X. I think this would be a good transition to fall piece as well. I love the little like back part that kind of splits open a little bit on the bottom. You're seeing that in the try on portion. It fits great. The feel is, it's so soft. The pattern is just really not me. It's a little bit too busy for me. It's pretty, and I love the fit, and that's what I told Alexa too in my note to her. I love the feel, I love the fit. It's just a little bit too busy for me. And this one is 85 bucks. Okay, now let's move on to bottoms or pants. I've got 1, 2, 3, I think four bottoms. All right, so this is a pair of black jeans. They're real high-waisted, real high-waisted. It's the brand Curves 360 by NYDJ, and I believe these are $119. They're not, this is slim straight, so the bottom's not meant to be tapered like a skinny jean. So I attempted to roll one side to see how that would do for me. They were a little bit short for me as well. I'm not sure if they're meant to be that high-waisted or I just pulled them up that far. They're in a size 20. Again, the quality of all of these pieces is just like outstanding. These are a great jean you could wear like out. You could wear them to work, I think, because they're like matte, that black solid. There's no distressing, there's no discoloration. So I think they'd be great jeans for work too. They were just a little bit too short for me. Okay, and how funny is this? These are green like cargo type pants from the brand Caslon. These are in a size 20, I think, as well. These are 89 bucks, I think. Yeah, $89. How funny is it? I go to Talbot's and I see these pants I love in this color. So then I find a cheaper version on Torrid that I ordered. By the way, that order is coming. I will do a video. It's like a walking into fall type. I'm trying to get some fall pieces. Anyway, that video will be coming once that order arrives. And then I get these from Trunk Club. These are definitely utility type cargo pants. They fit great. I love the like pocket style on the back. I think it's just very flattering. The only reason I didn't keep these was because I have those coming from Torrid. But I do think these are a great pair of pants. If you're looking for a good pair of like army green, like sage type pants to go into fall, I think these are a great option. Okay, next pair of pants. These are like a pair of dress pants, I'm pretty sure. The brand Vince Camuto. They're in a size 20 and they're $99. These are sleek, y'all, like high-waisted, like sleek dress pants, like sleek. That's what I want to do every time I say it because they're so soft. They're a little bit too short for me, but these are legit dress pants. These came in a long bag versus like folded up in a bag with them folded on the crease. You know what I'm saying? Like they crease the front of them. So these are nice. These are very, very nice pants. I love how high-waisted they are. They don't have actual pockets, which kind of throws me off. Y'all know I'm a sucker for pockets. I need them for work. And if I'm going to spend $99 on a pair of pants like this, I'm wearing them to work and I'm putting something in the pockets. Alright, and the last pair of bottoms are these Slink Jeans Cutoff Blue Jean Shorts. These are 59 bucks. These are in a size, I will tell you in a moment, size 20. These fit great. They're just a little bit too short for my liking. Tell me, I mean, I'm already sending them back, but tell me what you think in the try-on portion. If you think they're too short or not. I think if I was a little tan, then maybe I wouldn't feel like they were a little bit short for me. I love the cut, the color, the wash. I mean, they fit great. I love everything about these. But we all know I don't really need shorts. But do I need them? Tell me what you think, please, because if you like this kind of style on me, then I'll tell Alexa to send another pair like this, and we'll give it another go. And the very last thing in my box, are y'all ready for these? If you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, probably Snapchat, you've seen these already. Can you see them? How cute are these? These are the brand Mark Fisher Ltd. Yeah, and these are gonna cost you a pretty penny, y'all. I think these are, yeah, $169.95. They're camel suede Colin fringe sandal. These are in a size 9.5. They fit perfect. The only thing is the ankle is a little bit tight on my ankle, and there's no stretch in that part. There is some stretch like in these straps on the top, at least in this last one, but there's no stretch in that ankle. So it's just a little bit snug. I love like the heel height. Look how cute. It's just like a little baby heel. Yeah, so these are cute. The detail on these is just beautiful. Like I love the gold, if you can even tell. Like the little bit of a gold around the toe. And so they're pretty, but for $170, I would have to wear them every single day to justify them. Plus I wasn't sure if I actually liked them or if I just thought they were so different that I liked them. So I officially own the Lake Breeze Vince Camuto top and then this like purple one from Caslon. These two I couldn't pass up. They're just such, not fun. Fun's not the word I'm looking for, but just like good pieces. Yeah, this one was what, $89? $49 I think, or maybe $59. But I know I will wear them, and I'm trying to be in the mindset of spend a little bit more money and you get the nicer pieces. So that's a wrap on this video. I will post a direct link to sign up for Trunk Club in the description box of this video if you're interested. I believe Trunk Club is a Nordstrom type subscription box, so that kind of explains why the pieces are a little bit more pricey. But I'm telling y'all the quality is there. So check that link out. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you liked in this box, what you didn't like. And I will do another Trunk Club because the pieces, like I can't deny like how nice the quality is. So yeah, you'll see another one soon. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.